My last holiday. Today, I'm going to tell you about my last holiday. It was an unforgettable trip to a beautiful place, and I'm excited to share it with you. Last summer, in August, I went to Ha Long Bay, in the north of Vietnam. I had heard a lot about how beautiful it is, and I finally got the chance to visit. I stayed there for 5 days and had an amazing time. I went on this holiday with my family, my parents, and my younger sister. It was a great chance for us to spend time together and relax after a long year of work and study. The food in Ha Long Bay was incredible. Since it's near the sea, we had lots of fresh seafood like prawns, crabs, and squid. One dish I really loved was grilled squid. We also tried many local desserts. Everything was fresh and delicious. The weather in Ha Long Bay was warm and sunny, which was perfect for exploring the bay. However, there was one day when it rained, so we stayed in the hotel and relaxed. But the rain didn't last long, and soon we were able to go out again. During the day, we took a boat tour around Ha Long Bay. The scenery was breathtaking with hundreds of limestone islands rising out of the water. We visited some of the famous caves like Sung Sat Cave and climbed to a viewpoint on Tai Top Island. The view from the top was amazing. We also went kayaking, which was a lot of fun. Paddling through the peaceful waters and around the islands was a great way to experience the beauty of the bay. At night, the bay was calm and peaceful. We stayed on a cruise boat for 2 nights, and the experience was magical. We had dinner under the stars, and after that, we joined some activities like squid fishing. It was my first time trying it, and although I didn't catch anything, it was a lot of fun. We also relaxed on the deck, enjoying the quiet night and the sound of the waves. Of course, we had a few small problems. One day, my sister got a bit seasick because of the boat. We had to rest for a while, but luckily she felt better after some medicine. Another issue was that we forgot to bring enough sunscreen, so we had to buy more at the local shops. Overall, it was an amazing holiday. Ha Long Bay is one of the most beautiful places I've ever visited, and I hope to go back there one day to explore even more. The food, the activities, and the stunning views made it a trip I will never forget.